Sir, good morning. Sir, good morning. Albna ma'am.
Yes.
Albna
Yes.
ma'am, the video will, ma'am, link, we have to copy the link and paste it into the YouTube link. Then the video will appear.
But ma'am, this cannot be possible in phone.
Okay. I'm trying to do it, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good
Ma'am,
morning.
should I play the video?
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Wait, just wait. Let other people join. They have joined.
Okay,
Good
ma'am.
morning, teachers.
Good morning, everyone.
Ma'am, that is a video for national anthem. Or it's a complete YouTube. I mean, complete.
Ma'am, I don't know. Gopal sir told me like to copy the link in the YouTube app and then it will run.
Just wait. I'll be back.
Sir, class 8 Bhartiyam. Sir, can you hear me? Sir, ma'am, the host can play the video and
Who's the host?
class 8 Bharti was the host and he made me the host. And how will I copy the link from mobile to laptop? I don't know. If he can play the video.
Ma'am, you have to open your phone WhatsApp in laptop.
Yes, ma'am.
Web WhatsApp, with the help of web WhatsApp, you can do it. Ma'am, I'm just reading the content. We have this. Yeah, Ma'am, till you do.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Are you saying something?
Ma'am, actually the problem is there are so many people who are not even able to join. You know, I
Yes,
just got a
ma'am.
call from a parent because they're not able to log in,
Hmm.
and there are so many
So, ma'am, what can we do? We should fix it.
There's so very less students are there.
Yes, ma'am. Total participants are 8, ma'am, only.
Ma'am, they're not able to log in. The things were updated, and I believe students have not changed their Zoom ID.
Ma'am, I have, ma'am, this password was saying incorrect password, but after
Yes,
I entered 2
Abhiraj.
times, the password was accepted, ma'am.
Okay.
130420. The students are sharing the same problem that this password is incorrect.
Wait, I'll just text the message.
13042020.
Okay, fine. So you're able to play the video, right?
I can play, ma'am. Can I play?
क्लास चल रही है थोड़ी सी
Can I play, ma'am?
Wait for some other students. There are only 2-3 students.
Okay, I'm sharing my screen, just trying that if it goes with the flow or not. Can you see my screen, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am, it's visible.
Fine.
युद्ध में समस्त राक्षस शक्तियों का एकत्रित होना आवश्यक है। इसलिए हम चाहते हैं इस धरती पर राक्षस शक्तियां हैं वे सब एकजुट होकर इस समय
Kankshi ma'am, can you hear me?
Yes.
Ma'am, there is some other thing coming on this
Yes, ma'am.
sound.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, there's a sound of Ramayana
Yes,
coming.
ma'am. I have not muted them. Ma'am, the site can't be reached. It is playing, ma'am, playing. Can you all see my screen, Ansh?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. Ma'am, the assembly has started, ma'am.
Okay, so we have to do it in this way only.
Yes, ma'am. We have to start the digital assembly. Then after that, the competition will start.
Ma'am, can you just enlarge your screen?
Fine.
Can you enlarge your screen?
Trying, ma'am.
Ma'am, give a double click on that.
Fine, ma'am.
No, ma'am, it's not visible. Give a yes. Yes.
Fine, ma'am. Fine.
सुप्रभात।
Ma'am, your
मेरा नाम
screen is not
कृष्ण
visible.
छाबड़ा है। मैं कक्षा 2 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं अपनी प्रार्थना चलाने जा रहा हूँ, जिसका शीर्षक है हमको मन की शक्ति देना। हमको मन की शक्ति देना।
Ma'am, it is not coming.
Ma'am, it's not audible. Akanksha ma'am. Ma'am, the video is not being played well.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
Ma'am, you will send the picture of poster in our group.
No, beta, we're not sending the poster. The theme has already been given. You have to do it on the spot.
Ma'am, what is the theme?
You don't know the theme of the thing?
No, ma'am.
Are you ready with your thing to make a poster?
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you.
You have all your paintings and your sheets?
Yes.
Wait.
Mhm.
You have a poster making a competition on the spot. You're supposed to make a poster on Visakhi. Okay?
Okay, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
There's so many kids, no?
जैसे कोई बालक के साथ परिवार करके उसे ये तो और अच्छा हुआ। पहले दिन की तुमने शत्रु की छाप पाली। आज पहली
See kids, am I audible? Please raise your hands. Okay, fine. Sanskar, I can see your hand. Kartiki, am I audible? Kartiki, put your video on. Don't put your pictures. Okay, fine. That's good. See, today we are conducting a special assembly. You know why? Because it's Baisakhi today. And before getting into it, there's some technical issue with the video. And Kanksha ma'am is trying to play it. By then, I would just like to introduce that you must be familiar that why do we celebrate Baisakhi. And after this assembly, we will be conducting an online poster competition in which you have to make a poster live only in the class itself. Okay. And I wanted to let you know that why do we celebrate Baisakhi? It's basically a harvesting festival, and it is mostly celebrated with Sikhs and Hindus. And this is basically it is a starting or it's a formation of Khalsa Panth. That's why we celebrate Baisakhi. Khalsa Panth of warriors, and it was under the supervision of Guru Gobind Singh Ji in 1699. That's why we celebrate Baisakhi. And Baisakhi is a festival of happiness. People celebrate it. They eat. They go to Gurdwara, and they make so many dishes. They do so much of Punjabi dance like Bhangra, Gidda. They celebrate in such a manner. The first thing what people do is they go and visit Gurdwara, because it is the new year basically for Sikh, and it is the formation of Khalsa Panth as well. Okay, it was in the year of 1699. Fine. I'm still waiting that ma'am to start the assembly because the video is not working due to some technical issues. Let me take the attendance by them, whosoever is present. See the students, why they are not present, because there are some signing up issues, because everybody has to make their new Bhartiyam ID. Only then they would allow to log in the class. Kanksha ma'am, what is the issue?
Ma'am, some students are not able to sign in. The password is incorrect, kind of problem they are telling me. Ma'am, should I play the video again?
Yes, ma'am, please try. We are waiting for the video.
Alpna ma'am?
Yes. Ma'am, please play the video.
Alpna. Alpna ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, should I start the video again?
Yes, ma'am, please do it.
Okay, ma'am, fine. Ma'am, host disabled participant screen sharing. Ma'am, please allow me to share my screen.
Wait, ma'am. I'll just change the settings.
Ma'am, allow me to share my screen.
Ma'am, should I make
I'm
you
not
the
able
host?
to share my screen, ma'am.
Ma'am, just wait. I'll make you the host. Wait. I'll make you the host, ma'am. I've made you the host. Now you can do the things, okay? Akanksha, ma'am?
Poster on the side. Handmade posters on Baisakhi.
Ma'am, I am starting the video from the
Please,
beginning.
madam. Yes, ma'am. Please do it.
Okay. Ma'am, now is it visible?
Yes, ma'am. It's visible.
Fine.
Best handmade Baisakhi poster.
सुप्रभात, मेरा नाम फरिश्ता छाबड़ा है। मैं कक्षा 2 में पढ़ता हूँ। आज मैं आपको एक प्रार्थना चलाने जा रहा हूँ जिसका शीर्षक है हमको मन की शक्ति देना। हमको मन की शक्ति देना, मन विजय करे, दूसरों की जय के पहले खुद को जय करे, भेदभाव अपने मन से साफ कर सके, दूसरों से जो भूल हो तो माफ कर सके,
Easiest Baisakhi poster.
सच कदम भरे, दूसरों की जय से पहले खुद को जय करे, मुश्किल पड़े तो हम पर इतना कर्म कर, साथ दे तो धर्म का, चले तो धर्म पर,
Yes, sir.
प्लीज
खुद पे हो
अनम्यूट प्रदीप जो सर हैं उनको अनम्यूट कर दीजिए. आई जस्ट टॉक टू हिम. ही विल मेक अ कॉल. इट्स नॉट वर्किंग.
पहले खुद को जय करे,
अनम्यूट 8 भारतीय प्रदीप सर इज अनम्यूट हिम.
धन्यवाद. आप सबका दिन शुभ हो.
Pradeep sir.
प्रदीप
Ma'am, the option is not
Good
coming.
morning, everyone. My name is Saki Chhabra.
Option is not
from
coming,
class
ma'am.
3D.
make
And
me
here
host, ma'am, please.
few lines about Baisakhi. Baisakhi is the one of the important festival of Hindu and Sikh. It commemorates the formation of the Khalsa Panth by Guru Gobind Singh Ji in 1699. Baisakhi, the harvest festival and the new year of Punjab, has really interesting significance. It is the festival of Punjabis and Sikh. It is also known as Vaisakhi. Baisakhi is the one of the 3 Hindu festivals chosen by Guru Amar Das to be celebrated by Sikh. In this year, Baisakhi is celebrated on 13th April 2020. Baisakhi is the festival of joy and happiness. This major celebration takes place in Punjab. Gurudwaras look very beautifully decorated with lights and flowers. Baisakhi is the festival which spreads peace, harmony and courage. Thank you and have a nice day. Good morning, everyone. My name is Darsh Paresh. I study in class 2nd B. Today I am here to recite the school pledge. Everyone take pledge position. Praise my country and all Indians
Ma'am, it is not happening.
my brothers and sisters. I love my country and I am proud of it,
Ma'am,
which I am very heritage.
the option is not coming.
I shall always strive to be worthy of it. I shall give respect
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
to teachers and all
Ma'am, Archana ma'am is also on mute.
to my country and my people. I pledge my devotion. In
studying class 2nd B. Today I'm here to tell you a beautiful thought. Your thoughts are seeds, and the harvest you reap will depend on the seed you plant. Thank you and have a nice day.
My name is Manat Kaur. I study in class 3rd. Today's news headlines are Coronavirus updates. First, 8,356 total cases, 716 cured, 273 died in India due to coronavirus. AP launches COVID-19 testing kits. Kits outcome comes in less than 1 hour. COVID-19 cases doubling every 6 days now. 9 persons arrested for attacking ASI in Punjab. Lockdown set to be extended with some measures to restart economy. 3.5 magnitude earthquake felt in Delhi and neighboring areas. Sports news. IPL can held without crowd. T20 World Cup can't blend.
क्या बना रहे हो?
ਪਹਿਲਾਂ ਭਾਰਤੀਯਮ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਆਪ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੀਆਂ ਬਹੁਤ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਭਾਰਤ ਦੀ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਗੁਰੂ ਅਤੇ ਚੇਲੇ ਦਾ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਪਿਆਰ ਭਰਾ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ ਤੇ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਬੜਾ ਹੀ ਪਵਿੱਤਰ ਹੁੰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਗੁਰੂ ਆਪਦੇ ਚੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਦੀ ਸਾਰੀਆਂ ਕਲਾ ਸਿਖਾ ਕੇ ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਕਾਮਯਾਬ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ। ਇਹ ਰਿਸ਼ਤਾ ਅੱਜ ਇੱਕ ਕਦਮ ਹੋਰ ਵੱਧ ਗਿਆ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ, ਜਦੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਆਪਦੇ 5 ਪਿਆਰਿਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾ ਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੇ ਅੱਗੇ ਹੱਥ ਜੋੜ ਕੇ ਕਿਹਾ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮੇਰੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਹੋ ਤੇ ਮੈਂ ਤੁਹਾਡਾ ਚੇਲਾ ਹਾਂ। ਦੁਨੀਆ 'ਚ ਪਹਿਲੀ ਵਾਰ ਕਿਸੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੇ ਆਪਣੇ ਚੇਲੇ ਨੂੰ ਆਪਣੀ ਥਾਂ ਤੇ ਬਿਠਾ ਕੇ ਆਪਣੀ ਸਾਰੀ ਤਾਕਤਾਂ ਦੇ ਦਿੱਤੀਆਂ। ਆਓ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਪੰਜ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਕੌਣ ਸੀ ਇਹ ਵਿਦਿਆਰਥੀਆਂ 'ਚੋਂ।
ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਭਾਈ ਦਇਆ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਜਾਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਖੱਤਰੀ ਸਨ। ਉਹ ਲਾਹੌਰ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ 1699 ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਵਾਲੇ ਦਿਨ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕ ਕੇ ਪਹਿਲੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਦਰਜਾ ਹਾਸਿਲ ਕੀਤਾ। ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਮਤਲਬ ਜੋ ਸਭ ਤੋਂ ਚੰਗਾ ਲੱਗੇ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸ਼੍ਰੀ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਹੁਕਮ ਤੇ ਲੋਕਾਂ ਦੇ ਇਕੱਠ ਵਿੱਚ ਆਏ ਦੂਜੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਭਾਈ ਧਰਮਦਾਸ ਸੀ। ਉਹ ਜਾਤ ਕਰਕੇ ਜੱਟ ਸਨ। ਉਹ ਹਸਤਨਾਪੁਰ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾ ਕੇ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਨੇ ਧਰਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਨਾਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ। ਧੰਨਵਾਦ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਤੀਜੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਮੋਹਕਮ ਚੰਦ ਸੀ, ਜੋ ਦਵਾਰਕਾ ਦੱਖਣ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਨ। ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾ ਕੇ ਮੋਹਕਮ ਸਿੰਘ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਦਿੱਤਾ ਗਿਆ।
ਚੌਥੇ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਰਾਏ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਵੀ ਦੱਖਣ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਨ। ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਰੋਜ਼ਗਾਰ ਪਾਣੀ ਢੋਣਾ ਸੀ। ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਾਉਣ ਤੋਂ ਬਾਅਦ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਨੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਹਿੰਮਤ ਸਿੰਘ ਰੱਖ ਦਿੱਤਾ।
ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ। ਸ੍ਰੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਤੋਂ ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਪੰਜਵੇਂ ਪਿਆਰੇ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਚੰਦ ਸੀ। ਇਹ ਦੱਖਣ ਭਾਰਤ ਦੇ ਰਹਿਣ ਵਾਲੇ ਸਨ। ਅੰਮ੍ਰਿਤ ਛਕ ਕੇ ਇਹਨਾਂ ਦਾ ਨਾਮ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਸਿੰਘ ਹੋ ਗਿਆ।
ਸੋ ਅੱਜ ਵਿਸਾਖੀ ਦੇ ਦਿਹਾੜੇ ਤੇ ਇੱਕ ਵਾਰ ਫਿਰ ਸਭ ਨੂੰ ਲੱਖ ਲੱਖ ਵਧਾਈਆਂ। ਭਾਰਤੀ ਇੰਟਰਨੈਸ਼ਨਲ ਸਕੂਲ ਵੱਲੋਂ ਗੁਰੂ ਗੋਬਿੰਦ ਸਿੰਘ ਜੀ ਦੇ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਸਾਜਨਾ ਦਿਵਸ ਤੇ ਸੰਸਾਰ ਦੀ ਤੰਦਰੁਸਤੀ ਅਤੇ ਚੜ੍ਹਦੀ ਕਲਾ ਲਈ ਅਰਦਾਸ ਕਰਦੇ ਹਾਂ। ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕਾ ਖਾਲਸਾ ਵਾਹਿਗੁਰੂ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਫਤਿਹ।
Ma'am, everyone will stand.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल बंगा। विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा। तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मागे। गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे।
I think, ma'am, please close the video.
Yes, ma'am. Done.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
When the competition will start.
Ma'am,
No, ma'am.
And voice is not coming.
your voice is not audible, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, fine. So this was a special assembly as today we are celebrating Baisakhi and there are no classes. And next event for today is poster making on the same topic, that is Baisakhi. Now, how many of you are making the poster? Please raise your hands. Ansh is making. Ma'am, please note down. Ansh Rathore is making a poster.
Wait a minute, yeah.
Sanskar, are you making a poster for today?
Ansh Rathore and Adhiraj Kataria. Ansh Rathore, Adhiraj Kataria and Sanskar.
Yes, ma'am.
Sanskar Shukla and
Sifat, you want to make a poster? Okay, fine. Sifat, ma'am, all these students are participating. Ramit, you want to do? That's good. Good students.
Ma'am, Shivan Sikdar, Ramit Goyal, ma'am, those students who have raised their hands, they all are making posters?
Yes, ma'am, they all are making. And Ramit, your video is not coming. Please put your video on.
Shivan Sankdar, Rachit Jaiswal, Siddharth Kaur.
Yes, ma'am. Prarthna Arora, you want to make? There's no video. Put your video on, please. Gurbaksh Singh. So we will start the poster making right now. The topic you know, you can start making your.
Have raised their hand, it means.
Ma'am, they all are participating. That is why they are in the class today. So all the students wants to participate. That's very good. So we will appreciate.
Yes,
and
ma'am.
Yes.
Please.
Ma'am, we have to on our video while drawing.
Yes.
Yes, you have to turn your video on. Only then, otherwise you will be disqualified.
Ma'am. Alpna ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Bataएं.
Ma'am, should I write the name of the students who are present in the meeting?
Ma'am, it's same thing. Everybody is participating. Whosoever is present is making a poster. So it is the same thing.
Okay, ma'am. I'm writing all the names.
Right. I have the record. Don't worry.
Okay.
Guruvansh, your video is not on. If you want to participate in the competition, please turn your video on.
ईवा गुहार तो मैंने लिखा है। प्रार्थना अरोरा कटारिया है गुरुवंश से।
Ma'am, we can start.
Yes.
Okay, ma'am.
Please mute everybody
Yes, ma'am.
except me.
Ma'am, one thing.
Ansh Rathore, please start the poster making.
Ma'am, there are only 12 students.
Yes, ma'am.
अंश राठौर, अधिराज कटारिया, संस्कार, शिवांश, रचित जायसवाल, सिफत कौर, कार्तिकेय पुरवर, हिबा गोहर, प्रार्थना अरोरा, गुरुवंश सिंह, कार्तिकेय पुरवर, रमित गोयल. That's it, ma'am.
Ansh, start your poster, please. Adhiraj, you're not visible. Are you making
Okay,
a
ma'am.
poster? Please
Yes, ma'am.
Please make your camera proper. Okay, fine. Now it's
Okay.
Why there is no option coming like mute all, unmute all?
Ma'am, you are the host, right? Let me check. I remember he actually.
पापा फोन दे दो. आपको मेल भेजा एक. मेल भेजा मेरे को फोटो चाहिए था इसके बनाना है ना. हाँ?
Yes,
ये
ma'am.
मैम करेंगे.
प्रदीप भैया आपको आवाज आ रही है? I don't know why he. प्रदीप भैया आपको आवाज आ रही है?
All the students will be sharing their poster after completing it. You will be sharing it on your screen.
Ma'am.
Member screen sharing.
No, you will just show like this.
You will show
like I am doing. You will be showing your poster like this. Fine. So we will click a picture of that.
Kalpana ma'am. Hello, Kalpana ma'am.
Ma'am, sir is calling you, I think.
Hello.
Yes, sir.
Kalpana ma'am.
प्रदीप भैया आपको आवाज आ रही है?
हाँ जी मैम आ रही है, बताएं.
सर हमें होस्ट बना दीजिए.
ओके.
आप मुझे होस्ट बना दीजिए.
बना देता हूँ मैम. ओके ओके.
ठीक है. Fine, ma'am. Now I'm the host. I'm just muting all. Okay.
Fine, ma'am.
I'm allowing the participants to unmute in case they want to say something, so they can. Okay.
Ma'am, why was the option not occurring on my screen?
Ma'am, actually, only the host can do the things. So I am the host. I've muted everybody, and I've given the option as well to unmute themselves.
Okay.
Only one person can be the
Ma'am,
host.
when I was the host, I was not getting the option to unmute, mute.
I don't know, ma'am, why, but it is coming.
Ma'am, it was not coming when I was the host. That's why I was facing problem.
It's okay.
Ma'am, there are 12 participants and 3 are from school. Yes?
There are so many students who are not able to log in just because of the changes in the login criteria. Ma'am, we have to give them 40 minutes, 40 minutes to make the poster, and
yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
We'll be closing around 11:20.
11:20, ma'am.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, yes.
Ma'am, when is this over? मेरे फोन पे चल नहीं रहा.
What happened, Ramit? Where are you going? Make your poster. We have a time limit as well. Ramit, where are you going? Make your poster. Unmute yourself if you want to say something. I have given an option. If somebody wants to say something, they can unmute themselves. Ansh Rathore, where are you? Okay, you're there. I can see your head.
Hello.
I think the ones who are participating in the
Sir,
poster competition, they
उसमें
can even
अभी
give a
वो आ
WhatsApp
रहा
as well
है
later on
जो
in the group.
मीटिंग होती है वो
But
आ
it
रहा है
is
लेकिन
nice to know that you
उसमें जब
people
मैंने
were
व्हाट्सएप पे चेक
really
किया
into the class
उसमें तो
and
कोई आज क्लास नहीं है.
people can even give your poster in your group
हाँ सर.
afterwards. Give it in both of them, A and B.
ओके सर.
8A.
स्टार्ट हो गया पोस्टर. ओके सर.
Kartike, your video is not visible, beta. Kartike, please turn your video on.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Kartike, can you hear me?
Excuse me, ma'am.
Kartike, you will be disqualified if you're not putting your video on. It's a live poster
Excuse me,
making
ma'am.
competition.
Excuse me.
What happened? Okay.
Ma'am, I have joined recently.
Preeksha, birthday किसका है भाई? I can see that happy birthday at the back. Okay, Kartike, the video must be on. It's okay. Now your video is on. Don't worry. Please do your poster. You have last 20 minutes left. Please cop up. 20 more minutes to make the poster. It's supposed to give you 40 minutes and we've already done with 20 minutes.
Ma'am, 40 or 14?
40. You have another 20 minutes. So 14 कैसे होगा बेटा? How much you are done? %.
Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, we can send you the poster after coloring it.
No, beta, you have to finish it in the given time slot only. It's a live poster making competition, right?
Okay, ma'am.
So please hurry up.
Please speed up, kids. Speed up. Sanskar, your video is not coming. Maybe it's a connectivity problem, but it's not coming properly. Sanskar Shukla, I cannot see your video properly. Ramit, are you done with your poster? Please hurry up. Don't waste time. Have time limit as well. Gaurav Pal, I cannot see your video. Please turn your video on. Gaurav Pal, I cannot see your video. Even Hiba is not there. Where are you? Kartiki, again your video is not visible. These three are not with the video. Kids, you have to share your poster in your class groups, okay? You have to share your poster, whatever you are making, in the class groups. Message has already been dropped. Beta, how much time do you need more? Because we are only left with 10 minutes. Please unmute. Unmute yourself and say something. Ansh, I can't hear you. I can't hear you, beta. I don't know why. Give me a text.
We started the session at 10:40. Please speed your work up. We are almost about to finish up the competition. We're supposed to give you 40 minutes. We started at 10:40 and we'll be winding up on at 11:20. Please speed up. Shiva is tired. जोर जोर से कलर कर रही है. She seems so tired, you know. It's really good to see you all kids over here. It's always matter of confidence that you participate in all the activities. I'm repeating once again, all the kids are requested, all the students are requested to give their posters in their respective class groups, okay? The message has already been dropped. Akanksha ma'am? Akanksha ma'am, can you hear me? Ma'am, there are only 10 students who are participating in the competition. I've shared the screenshot with you.
Your voice is
Akanksha
cracking, ma'am.
Okay. There are only 10 participants in the competition. I've shared the screenshot with you. We only have 10 students.
We only have 10 students who are making posters, ma'am.
Right.
Ansh Rathod, Gaurav Pal, Gaurav Singh. Ma'am, Gaurav Pal is also making poster?
Ma'am, actually, his video is not coming. His video is not coming. I've requested so many times, but I don't know why. Gaurav, I cannot have your video. Gaurav Pal, please turn your video on. Sudhang. Sudhang Chaudhary. Sudhang Chaudhary. His video is not there. Beta, your video must be on. Otherwise, you will be marked absent. Gaurav, I cannot see your video. Please put your video on.
Preksha Varshne.
Anybody
Preksha
knows?
Varshne.
Anybody knows who's in which section Gaurav Pal is?
Ma'am, 8th B.
8th B?
Gaurav Pal's video is not visible.
Right.
Is he participating or not?
Ma'am, I don't know. He's not. It's not visible. I can't see anything. See, ma'am, we can cross check. They have to
Yes,
give their
ma'am.
poster in the WhatsApp group. They have to give their poster in the group as well. We can cross check from there.
Your voice is cracking.
Ma'am, I can't help it. It's because of the connectivity.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, 3 students are there: Gaurav Pal, Sudham Chaudhary, and Preksha Varshne. Are they making posters?
Yes, ma'am. Sudhan Chaudhary is making a poster, and see, Gaurav Pal video is visible now. You can see Gaurav.
Yes, ma'am. He is also making poster.
Gaurav, are you making poster? Okay, good. Sudhang, I can see you all. Sudhang, you're making poster?
Preksha Varshne is still. Yes, Preksha is also making a poster.
See, what you have to do is you all have to give your poster immediately after you end up the class in the class groups, okay? In your respective groups. Mind it, if you don't send it, then it's not going to be taken as a competition. You have to give your posters immediately in the class groups.
Ma'am,
Yes.
so my father is not here. The group is in his WhatsApp number. He will come up.
You can send a personal message to us. We will.
How can he send me? He doesn't have the. Do you have some phone at home?
Yes, sir.
So what you can listen to me. What you can do is write down my number. Right. Write down my number. Write down the number and you can send the poster on that with your name and class.
Ma'am,
81 71 90 43 40.
Okay.
Write your name and your class along with the reason that my dad is not here. That's why I'm sending in the personal number. Okay.
Okay.
See, we are winding up into last 2 minutes. You have to show me your posters. Everybody has to show their posters. Ma'am, let's take a screenshot when they're showing the posters.
Yes, ma'am. They are not showing it right now. You will have to show like this. And I will take screenshot. Pratna, just wait for 2 minutes.
Ma'am, tell them who has to show it so that I can also take a screenshot. Ramit, show
your poster.
Sifat,
Hiba, Ansh,
Habiba, show your
Preksha,
poster.
Kartike, Gaurav Pal, Rachit, Sifat Kaur, Sanskar Shukla. Ma'am, Gaurav Pal has turned off his video.
Hello, ma'am.
Yes?
Ma'am, I have just started only.
Ma'am, he has just started making poster.
Good, Ramit, okay. Sifat, show your poster.
Sifat, Sanskar. Sanskar. Preksha.
Ma'am, it's fine now.
I can't see your poster, beta. Sanskar, hold it properly. Hiba. Hiba, please display your poster. What is he saying, ma'am?
Can I take few more minutes, ma'am?
Actually, I was taking photograph. After that, you can draw it. Rachit?
Yes, sir.
Sanskar, hold it straight and a little bit forward. Fine. Pratna? Fine.
Ma'am, my is fine.
Ma'am, I have also done. Hello, ma'am. Ma'am.
Tell me your name.
Hello, ma'am.
Tell me your name. Karthik. Karthike.
Ma'am, yes. Yes, ma'am.
Come closer to the screen. Sanskar. Sanskar. Yes, 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 yes. Yes, yes, yes. Now the image is visible.
My poster's photo.
Yes.
I'm having my poster's photo.
Shivansh. Wait for a minute. Shivansh. Shivansh. No, Shivansh. No. Yes. You have made kites. Yes, yes. Hold your poster. Come closer to the screen. Ansh. Come closer to the screen. Shivansh. Shivansh. Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Shivansh.
Yes, ma'am.
Akanksha ma'am.
Shivansh.
Akanksha ma'am, please listen. Now it's over. We are closing the class now. It's almost 11:30 and we have given you more than 40 minutes. Fine. Because we started late. So we have given you 40 minutes and now we are ending up immediately. You have to give your posters in your class groups. Is it okay? Give a thumbs up. Is it clear? Okay, fine. I got from Pratna, Sanskar, okay. Eva, Ansh, good. So we are ending the meeting now. We are ending the activity. And soon after this, just give your posters in the class group. Okay, goodbye.
दिया मैंने व्हाट्सएप ग्रुप पे भेज दी तो भेजने की
Rachit.
Rachit Jaiswal. Sifat. Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, we are closing the meeting. I'm asking Pradeep sir to take the meeting. Okay, I have to make him host. Wait. We are closing the activity now.
Ma'am, you have taken shot of my video.
Yes, beta, I have taken.
Just hold your poster. Yes, yes, yes. Sifat, where is your poster?
नहीं लिया होगा तो मैं कहती हूँ मैंने तो दिखाया था.
We are closing it.
Ma'am.
Please.
Ma'am, have you checked mine? I am Karthike.
Show me your poster. Karthike Purwar.
Ma'am, yes.
Yes. Closer to the screen.
Kansha ma'am.
Yes, 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 ma'am.
We are winding up the activity. Please say goodbye. And we'll see you again. Okay? Class 8.
Okay, ma'am.
Bye bye. Happy Baisakhi.
Okay, ma'am. Same to you.
All the best to all.
मैम आई एम मेकिंग
हटा दे तो तभी तो अच्छी लगेगी.
Ma'am, should I leave?
वेट मैम वेट.
इसलिए वो वाली टेप लगती है इसमें, लेकिन हमारे घर में वो वाली थी कागज की, हमारे घर में वो वाली थी तो यही लगानी पड़ी क्योंकि और किसी के ऊपर तो चलता नहीं है, इसके ऊपर.
मैम यू कैन लीव नाउ इफ यू वांट टू.
Are you also leaving?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am, fine.
Kids, you can leave now. The activity is over. Goodbye. Stay safe. Happy Vaisakhi.